truck. Without a truck, you can't haul poultry up the grade. Without a truck, the stretch of highway won't get paved. Without a truck, all you rednecks won't get laid. Now without a truck, now without a truck. Without a truck, you can't rip stumps out of the side. Without a truck, you can't haul big-ass redwood logs. Without a truck, there's little subject for dialogue. Now without a truck, now without a truck, now without a truck. Well, it just stands to reason when your crops come in the season, it's best to have a big rig standing by. And the children find it pleasing when it's deep in fire season. That hook and ladder house rolls on by. She rolls on by. She rolls on by. Without a truck, you can't run hippies off the road. Without a truck, the infrastructure would erode. Without a truck, you are confined to lighter loads. Without a truck, without a truck, without a truck, our hearts may still beat, I suppose. But without a truck, family farms would be foreclosed. Without a truck, rose and blues would come off road. Without a truck, without a truck, without a truck. Fire season, that hook and ladder house rolls on by. She rolls on by. She rolls on by. Now without a truck, 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 now without a truck.
Is this your truck? Is this your truck?